The day has finally come. I don't have an AUTEL hat, but I do have a Seattle Seahawks hat, and that's sort of close to Bothell. Shall we unbox this thing? I think so. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video. In front of me sits the AUTEL. So first off, let me do this. I want to shout out to my sponsor of this video, Carolina Drones. If you are considering buying an AUTEL Robotics Evo drone, look no further than Carolina Drones. With fast shipping and availability, Carolina Drones is going to be your one-stop shop for everything AUTEL. So let them know that Original Dobo sent you. Link will be in the description below. Now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and let's do it all in under 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and grab the black knife today. So let's go ahead and slice into the packaging. And I've been waiting for this bad boy since March, mind you. Wait a second, how does this, I'm opening it wrong. There it is. Ooh, this is packaged really nice. You guys see this? So we've got our controller in box A. Looks like this is the charging unit here, and then we have the drone itself. Wait a second. There's no carrying case for this. What? There's no carrying case for this drone. There's literally no carrying case for this. What comes in this box here? I'm astonished there's no case there's no case. What the hell? Alright, so we got two props, two spare props. You get, looks like a micro USB cable. And then there's some other cables here. What are these? What are these? Maybe USB-C cables? Controller. Gosh, can't even talk. So this is for the controller. No lightning cable, so I don't think I've ever seen one come without a lightning cable, but okay. Let's get the silica packets out of the way. This is the controller. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm honestly shocked there's no travel case. Not that I would use the one that came in it. So let's take a look at the controller here. And it feels a little different than what I felt at IWCE. They've got some nice accents here. I don't know if you guys can see this here. Some nice accents. You got an A/B switch. Oh, that's nice. So that's there. And these are just going to sort of flip up like such. And then the joysticks. And then you'll put your phone in there. And then you got your LCD screen here. I'm almost going to say, oh, that's nice. Almost want to say I probably want to get a screen protector for this. Or if they make a screen protector, that would be so dope. Just to preserve this from getting all scratched up, especially because there's no carrying case. Whatever, I'm just glad it's here. Don't kick a gift horse in its mouth. So that sort of folds up like so, and oh my gosh. Ready? That's good. That is good. That is delicious. So yeah, nice. Controller, sweet. And that, and then the cables, and then what else do we got? What else do we got? Small charger, very small. What's the wattage on this charger? So it's a input 124 for 5 volt. Not oh, there's also a USB on there too. I just noticed that. So very low power consumption on this charger, so we'll have to see how it does actually charging the unit. All right, so let's take a look at the drone itself. That's what we're all here for, right? So folding it out, nice. Get a nice little satisfying click when you fold the props. And then let's do this. Let's get all this out of the way. It's a very small drone. It is very small, I will say that. And then let's go ahead and take off this top layer. There is plastic everywhere, like everything that is new. And then let's just have a glance around here. So we've got a Gimbal Guard here, and this comes off pretty much like you would imagine. Just a little straight downward pull here, and that's pretty clever. And there's some film here on the top of this gimbal. So let's go ahead and... The props, I don't know if you ever played with the Mavic prop, but the props are like very like stiff to try to pull apart. These are not not stiff. They're like, they sort of just fling open. These are not. So that I wonder, like, I don't have the specs of everything with the motor, but very interesting looking to say the least. And then this actually takes the battery out. Oop, there it is, slides the battery right out. Let's see if it's got a charge. And I actually got 3 batteries, 3 dots on the charge. So that's good. So it's on. And the battery itself is... Is there any specs on the battery here? Oh, here it is right here. It is 4,300 milliamp hour battery. So, yeah. Cool. Nice. So, all in all, looks good. It feels very, very well built. I'm... Like, I can't really, like, I can say how it feels, but this feels so well done. Like, just the minor details of it, like, there's like these little, I don't know, non-slip pads at the end of the landing gear. The landing gear looks like it's all replaceable, and that's one of the things I hated about how DJI did their markers. Like, they were always underneath here, and I always felt that was very, you know, very much vulnerable. With this makes sense to have your landing gear here. And it just looks so well done. Like, everything looks very well done and well built, and then it just sort of folds up like so, and there's no awkward way to fold it either. That's the best part about it. You can just sort of fold it up like so, and you're done. And that's it. So that's the AUTEL EVO unboxing. I am gonna do some test flights with it, see how she does in the air. If there's anything you guys want to know about this drone, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be able to answer any and all of your questions. Again, the controller is definitely an interesting controller. It's probably going to be just big enough to fit a smartphone. But I think, I think that aftermarket companies will be able to adapt the tablet holder, because if you look right here, you can see that this is just a... screwdriver slot here, and I think if we just put a standard screwdriver in there, unscrew the key, we'll be able to get some sort of tablet mount for this if that's something you want to do, because I definitely don't see anywhere underneath here that you can do it. And look at that, that looks pretty cool. That's it with the controller. Nice. So very, very cool. So yeah, expect some videos very soon. It's crazy we've had to wait this long. I don't understand about the case. There is no case. I'll have to find out about that. Anyways, that's going to do it for today's unboxing. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you loved it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As always, guys, stay original. I will catch you next time.